How's it going, Mopar fam? I hope everybody out there is having a fantastic time. So today we're going to do another subscribers build, and we're going to feature Zach's truck all the way from Michigan. He's got a 2012 Ram 1500 that he's been building. And before we get started on the video, guys, if you're tuning in for the first time, definitely hit that subscribe button and tap the bell button for the notifications, as we are doing a giveaway. When we hit the 10,000 subscribers mark, I'm going to give away your choice of a nitrous kit, a J Green custom tune, or $350 credit to Gauge Performance. We're going to be giving away free stuff, so come hang out. Alright, so let's check out this truck. So Zach has a 2012 Ram truck that he's been building. He actually just got done installing a Detroit Truetrac limited slip in the truck so that he can do a massive burnout on his wedding day. Well, from the looks of that burnout, buddy, I think you got that one covered, bro. So the mods that he's got going on the truck so far is a 180 thermostat. He's got a clutch fan delete, a muffler delete, 392 gears along with the Detroit Truetrac. It's a 6-speed truck. The truck is running a leveling kit. He's running 33-inch Truetrac tires. He's got LED headlights and fog lights. The truck is debadged, and he also has an extra set of 17-inch wheels to run when he goes to the track. Some of the next mods that he has planned for is to get a custom green racing tune, which you're definitely going to enjoy. He's been slowly building this truck, and he's definitely making some super good improvements. Definitely an upgrade with that Detroit Truetrac. And he says he's trying to get the truck to go faster so he can beat up on his Chevy friends. That's what I'm talking about. Cannot let them bow ties win. So good job, Zach. You got a sweet little truck you're building here, and I think you definitely have the wedding day covered for the burnout. I can guarantee it's going to be epic, and I think that's going to do it for the video, guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button for the notifications so you don't miss anything, and you have an opportunity to win the free stuff we're going to give away. So as always, stay safe out there, and we'll see you guys on the next one.